If your Chevy Traverse is completely silent when you turn the key, a blown fuse might be the culprit. Electrical issues are incredibly common, and a blown fuse is often the cheapest fix you will ever find. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to get you back on the road. Before pulling any fuses, verify your battery has charge and always disconnect the negative terminal for safety. Focus your search on the ECM, starter relay, and ignition switch fuses first, as these are critical for cranking. If the engine cranks but won't catch, check the fuel pump fuse instead of the ignition circuits. Replacing a fuse is a simple DIY task, but internal shorts or a failed starter will require a professional shop. As you can see, checking your fuses first can save you hundreds in unnecessary repair costs. Use a multimeter to check for continuity if a fuse looks intact but you still suspect it has failed. Keep a basic fuse puller and a variety kit in your glove box for quick roadside troubleshooting. Remember, never replace a blown fuse with a higher amperage rating, or you risk damaging your wiring harness. If this guide helped you start your Traverse, leave a comment below and subscribe for more repair tips.